Okay, it's about to start.
Let's go.
I think this is a slow start. Ah! I'm not a big. Ah! Oh man, fuck. Fuck. Woo! Woo! Okay, yay! Fuck. I did this to myself. Woo! That's okay. But go! Go! Man, yeah. What can I say? Okay, now it's just a normal ride, I guess. Woo! Okay, though. I think it also breaks you a little bit. Okay. Yeah, it does. Keeps the distance, which is good, but it's annoying when someone just can't use the fucking thing. Okay, let's enjoy the view. I don't know, maybe I have a mad day. I'm a little bit mad. Ooh. Okay, also with the backpack, not a problem. Yeah. Go! My god! Everyone is stopping because of that woman. Okay, in theory it's fun. Not so much in real life. Am I too mean? A little bit, but honestly, we're well paid for it. Do I even have to do anything? We'll just break anyway. Yeah. Oh my god, this woman. I'm so mad today. I haven't slept much in long. Let's enjoy the view. Yeah, it will stop here. It's automatic, which is a good thing. Oh, there's the waterfall.
Put forward on the brake handle to increase your speed. Pull back or release the brake handle, slow down.
Oh fuck. Woo! 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 Yeah, like I said, I'm not a big roller coaster guy. I live near a big roller coaster park. I was there private, I think. Actually once. Yeah, I only can remember one time, and it was fun. I was in another park. My cousins took me near Hamburg. I live near Europe Park in Rusk. And yeah, it's fun. It's a scary thing. Woo! Okay, woo's over. Man, this woman she made the list. I made a photo of her. She's on the list now. Yeah, but when you live there, it's always you can go anywhere. But honestly, yeah, it's also not that cheap. And I know the guys, and they're actually not good guys. They're okay, I guess, but very greedy as well. Oh, it's over already. Woo. Honestly, €5 spent like that? I don't think so. I don't know. Let's see. I paid for the whole thing. I don't know. They said it will be like a go and back. I don't know. Let's see. Let's make a cut. Get the woman's name and photo and whatnot. DNA. Okay, see you guys.